Guys, it's AirPods Pro with MagSafe charging. This is it's just amazing. It's magic like you've never heard. The AirPods Pro have been redesigned to deliver active noise cancellation for immersive sound and transparency mode so that you can hear your surroundings, and also a customizable fit for all-day comfort. Just like AirPods, AirPods Pro connect magically to your Apple devices and they are ready to use straight out of the case. Incredibly light noise cancellation headphones, AirPods Pro block all your environment so that you can focus on what you're listening to. On your iPhone, head over to the Settings app and scroll down to Notifications. Under the subheading Siri, you will find an option Announce Notifications. Toggle on. When you toggle it on, Siri will read out your notifications. Siri will avoid interrupting you and will listen after reading notifications so that you can respond or take actions without saying, "Hey Siri." Siri will also notify from new apps that send time-sensitive notifications or direct messages. If you're not able to find your AirPods, a quick and simple way to find it is go to the Find My app. If this app is not on your iPhone, you can simply download it from the App Store. Within the Find My app, you can select your AirPods and click on Play Sound. Once you click on Play Sound, it'll trigger a sound and you can instantly find where your AirPods are. Once you find where your AirPods are, simply click on Stop and it'll stop the noise. Before I show you how to toggle the different noise control modes, let's get this straight: the difference between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. Active noise cancellation blocks external noise, while transparency allows external noise to allow the users to listen to sounds around them. One way to do it is when you're on your iPhone, go to the control center and long press on the volume slider. At the bottom, you'll see noise control and you can toggle between transparency mode, noise cancellation, or you can completely turn it off. Another way to do it, and this is a more manual way, is to go to the Settings app and go to the Bluetooth tab. In the Bluetooth tab, find the AirPods that are connected and click the I button. Within the I button, there you go again, you can switch between transparency, noise cancellation, or you can completely turn it off. If you're wondering about the size and the weight of these, it's not as big as you think it is. It's actually pretty small in your hands. It's about 1.22 inches in height. The width is 0.6 inches and the depth is 0.94 inches and its weight is just about 0.19 ounces. One really cool feature I like is when you place your AirPods on the MagSafe charger and double tap at the top, you'll display a light, and in this case it's a red light displaying that it's not fully charged. But when after some time when you double tap again, a green light will appear saying that it's fully charged.